Title: Whoa there, Ghost Gun. Supreme Court puts a brake on busting Biden's rules. TLDR, Justice Alito hits the pause button on a lower court's decision, bringing back Biden's restrictions on ghost guns. Wait. What's a ghost gun again? Ever seen those spy movies where the bad guy flaunts a mysterious weapon that doesn't seem to have a trace? Think of that, but in real life. Yep, we're diving into the eerie world of ghost guns, those firearms that don't have serial numbers and often evade regulations. Sounds ghostly already, right? It's all the rage in the world of judiciary tennis these days. Justice Samuel Alito made a power serve this Friday when he reinstated the Biden administration's rules on these spooky firearms. Previously, a lower court had ghosted these restrictions, pun intended, claiming they were invalid. But Alito's like, hold up. Let's think about this. So, what's the big fuss with these ghost guns anyway? They're basically DIY firearms kits that enthusiasts can assemble at home. No background checks, no fuss, no muss. Seems like a nifty hobby until you realize there's no serial number, and that can make tracking these bad boys a nightmare for law enforcement. And before you ask, no, this isn't some sort of Halloween gimmick. It's serious business, especially when you consider that these self-assembled firearms have been linked to crimes in various states. Spooky. More like concerning. Now, whether you're pro-gun, anti-gun, or just love the idea of DIY projects, here's the thing to ponder. Do these ghost guns need reining in, or should the enthusiasts be left to their devices, literally? Does the potential for misuse outweigh personal freedom in this case? Interestingly, not everyone's on board with the Biden administration's viewpoint. There are many who believe that this rule might infringe on their Second Amendment rights. It's just a hobby, and we're law-abiding citizens. They argue. Fair point, but where do we draw the line? Ever heard of the saying give an inch, and they'll take a mile? The real question is, how many inches, or miles, are we talking about when it comes to ghost guns? Provocative ending question. In a world full of DIY everything, from home decor to dinner recipes, where should we draw the boundary for DIY weapons? How much freedom is too much freedom? Disclaimer, this article is meant for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, investment, or any other type of advice. Always exercise personal judgment and seek professional advice if in doubt. Turned Up News does not endorse or recommend any particular viewpoint or action based on this report.